afternoon, everyone. It is my privilege to be here today. Today, I would like to share how to use high-tech technology to optimize energy efficiency and also the ESG compliance. Today, we are addressing the growing challenges of ESG compliance through the use of technology. The presentation will be divided into few parts to demonstrate how various innovation assist business. Allow me to introduce myself. I'm Angela Yuen, come from Hong Kong, and I have spent over 30 years in the built environment. I'm also served as a part-time lecturer in Hong Kong Polytechnic University and advisor for various professional organizations. As the founder of TechMatrix Solution, we want to have more high-tech solutions collaborate together to provide solutions to others. I'm so honored today to represent 3 tech companies today, the ES Genius, AICon, and also ES Green, as I will present their smart technology. Let's begin by identifying the main challenges that the property sector face in terms of ESG compliance. One significant challenge is energy consumption, especially from the AC unit, which often represent more than 15% of total number of the energy use. Additionally, there is increasing regulatory pressure to meet ESG compliance standard. The first one is about the ESG platform. It is powered by ESG Genius. The current challenge in ESG data and reporting can be summarized as follows. The data landscape is highly fragmented, making it difficult to effectively track and analyze ESG performance. The second one is there is increasing regulatory pressure that company must comply with. There is limited reporting tool available for tracing and also for the data for reporting purposes. Last but not least, the risk of greenwashing is significant, as the false ESG claim can lead to be legal consequence. These challenges underscore the urgent need for a robust and also a very ESG solution that simplifies data management, ensure that it is compliant, and foster trustful with the stakeholder. To address this issue, a comprehensive ESG platform was formed. There are 4 key modules of this platform is Aegis, Cyber, Porous, and also the Aegis. What is this? You can see the flow chart. The first one is about the Aegis. Use IoT sensor to collect real-time environmental and also energy data. Process the data in the edge computing for scalability and also cost effectiveness. The second one you can see is Cyber. This Cyber is employed the blockchain technology to ensure that all the data in integrity and also integrity and also the transparency build trust by the providing trustworthy data. The third one is the Porous. It's the AI-generated actionable insight. It can have data auditing and also reporting preparation. The last but not least is the Aegis. Offer desktop to real-time monitoring and also the ESG reporting. Help the company meet the compliance requirement. The impact of this platform is transformative. Company can experience with reduce the operation expenses, improve the ESG governance, and also measurable performance, and also prepare for carbon trading in future. This technology has been proven by many already adopted projects. Just like the blockchain technology has been used for the digital liquor certificate solution. The second one is the digital project is for the passport for the EU. Also for the IoT and also the data management technology has been used for Hong Kong government as a landfill surveillance, and also the smart IoT solution for Hong Kong Airport Authority. Across this successful project, the core technology has been proven and highly appreciated by our clients. The second technology is about how to save energy. It is powered by AI-Con. The key feature of the AI Smart Spring is trained using over thousands of building data sets, comparable with various BMS, BA system and hardware. Utilize edge computing technology. The AI-Con system use AI for real-time for the energy consumption and also in the air conditioning, while also provide the thermal comfort. It mainly includes few parts. The first part is about the user-friendly dashboard that simplifies energy management with smart interface for monitoring and control. The second part is IoT device, which are very handy, easy to install. The last but not least is the gateway that enables stateless data collection. This system leverage on the predictive AI algorithm and edge computing to improve energy efficiency and also reduce daily operation costs. Also, there is some IoT sensor enable real-time data capture, monitoring different parameters such as people flow, temperature, and humidity. They already have a lot of successful job reference, including the mass transit railway, mega the shopping mall, and also the supermarket in Chengdu, and also in the Fresh Hippo supermarket. Most of them has demonstrated the energy saving and the operation improvement is up to 40%. As the smart computer and also the AI keep learning from the different projects, the efficiency keep improving. The third technology is about the model powered by ES Green. The model is using the permanent magnet synchronized model. It's a type of electric motor that use permanent magnet and operate on supply current. Here are the features of the PSBS model. Benefit of using this model, the first one is that it can compatible with various speed thermostat. Secondly, the energy efficiency can be up to 15% greater than compared to the traditional AC model. The third one is that it can extend the lifespan, last at least 9 years. When compared to the traditional AC model, it's only around 4 years. So it leading to reduce the maintenance cost. Last but not least is about its performance. It offers better performance, quiet, and also due to the PMSM with consistent torque and a quick response time. Here is the comparison among the model with traditional AC model, traditional DC model, and the new PMSM model. About the consumption, energy consumption, you can see that the electricity consumption is significantly reduced up to 30%, 50% per year. That means it can significantly reduce the CO2 emission. The ESG green model has flexibility and also flexible business model. The first option is that the basic upgrade solution. Replace your existing AC model with a DC model while maintaining the existing mechanical control. The second option is that use the smart energy saving solution. Upgrade your DC model and also using the digital control board to remote control capability. The last but not least is the excellent solution is using the ESG integrated solution, a comprehensive package that integrates with ESG Genius platform for the automatically reporting and also board tracking. Here are some certifications that they have been already get the ISO standard for the environmental management and also the quality management. And also they have some test report proven their technology. ES Green, the model, also have successful implement for some prestige case in Hong Kong, the hotel group under the Swire Group, also the Hansen Bank in Hong Kong. In conclusion, the AI-Con PSM model are one of the pieces of the puzzle, but using the ESG Genius platform can seamlessly tie all the solutions together. The platform consolidates the IoT, AI, and blockchain technology into one user-friendly solution. Provide real-time monitoring, dashboard, and also blockchain-based transparency. This platform is not just about compliance. It is also about enabling digital transformation and aligning the ESG goal with the energy efficiency. As we are near the end of this presentation, I would like to leave you some key takeaways. The first one is the urgency of action. Climate change and the ESG demand require immediate attention. The role of the business and the individual. The company must embrace new technology to fulfill more stringent ESG technology and also the requirement. An individual can support sustainability practice. Energy and saving efficiency are everyone's responsibility. Act loud and make a difference. Thank you so much for it.